everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have got a Sparkle Supplies haul for you. It has been a hot minute since I last done a haul like this. I haven't bought any glitter, any foils, any charms or nothing for so long now. It's literally been a good couple of months and I've really missed it. I love just having a good browse through Sparkle Supplies website. She's always got so many beautiful products. I decided to take the plunge and order a couple new bits because I simply have no self-control. I only placed a small order. Lorraine, being the star she is, has also whacked in a couple of extras for me, so thank you so much to Lorraine. But I'm just going to show you guys everything that I have got today. I am also a brand ambassador for Sparkle Supplies, so I will put my discount code up on the screen for you, and it is always in the description box of every single one of my videos. I'm going to jump straight into the video. But before I do, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's dive in and have a look at these goodies. So before I dive into the contents, I just had to show some appreciation and love for this packaging. Look at this tissue paper, look at the metallic rainbow. She always packages up these packages so nicely and I'm obsessed. I really love them. Okay, so I'm going to start off by showing you this collection. It's very rare that I will go out of my way to buy a whole collection, but Sparkle Supplies has the nicest glitter collections going. This one is called the Out Out collection. It is a very simple collection, but I feel like it's a must have for anybody. So as you can see here, we have got 6 different bags of glitter and they are all bright neons. So there's summer coming up. These are so perfect. They are so cute. They are just simple little hexagons. So we have got the yellow, Hacienda. I'm not too sure how to pronounce that, but it is gorgeous. Next up we have got a bright green called Eden. We have then got a neon pink called Pasha, neon orange called Disco Inferno. We have got a blue called Cafe Del Mar. And then we've got a purple called Prism or Prism. I'm not very good at pronouncing these, but yeah, they are so gorgeous. So this collection you could buy as a whole for £7.49, or you could buy each individual one for £1.35. So super affordable, and like I said, absolutely perfect for the summer. I adore them. I just had to have them. Next up we have got this glitter mix called Lily. I literally just bought this because of the name. My daughter's called Lily and I saw it and I had to have it. But it is a really beautiful glitter. It's very iridescent. It's a multi-mix. It's green. It's got a golden shift. Slight bits of sort of reddy orange in there. It is truly beautiful. This is actually currently sold out and I can't tell you whether it's coming back or not. It would normally be £1.35. But I'm really glad I've got my hands on it before it's sold out. It is truly beautiful. So next up, you guys are going to absolutely love these. I just know it. Here we have got micro shards. These are called Fizzy Orange. I just know you guys are going to love these. Look at those. They are so soft and so lovely to work with. You'll have to ignore my nails as well, by the way. I've been gardening, I've been moving concrete blocks, so they are looking rough and disgusting. So please just ignore those. I will be sorting them out. But yeah, look how gorgeous that is. Can't get enough of it. And you get a 5 gram pot for £2.99, which is super affordable for what it is. And yeah, I'm truly obsessed. I think they are so beautiful. And then we've got these ones called Fantasia. Look at those. The camera is definitely not doing them justice. They've kind of got like a chameleon shift to them. We've got like blues, greens, purples, sort of bronze colour. There is a whole selection going on in there. They are so beautiful. And again, you get a 5 gram pot for £2.99. But they are luscious. So nice. And then we've got these, which they are called Sweet Sensation. I've not actually seen these anywhere else before, so I know I had to have them. I love these neon little shapes. I got quite a lot of different shapes with these neon colours. But it's £1.99 for this whole pot, so you've literally got hundreds in there. There's so many in there. In so many different colours as well. They are literally so paper thin, so really easy to adhere to a nail. Next up, we have got these ones called Happy Days. And in here we've got loads of smileys. I've got loads of metallic holographic smileys, but I don't have no neon ones. And just look how happy they are. They literally look so happy. I love them. And again, you get all of these for £1.99. So you literally get so many, and I love them. And then we've got a pom-pom. I love these pom-poms so much. I've got one in red and I've got one in grey. I'm saving them for my own nails for a special occasion, but I had to have one in yellow as well. I love yellow nails and I just had to have one. These are available in a variety of different colours. They're super fluffy. I'm not going to get out right now, but they're super fluffy. They're super cute. They come with these two little magnets, so you can encapsulate one magnet into your nail and then the other magnet will attach to that one. They're nice, easy to work with, and they're just so cute. They just look so fancy. So yeah, absolutely obsessed with them. They're £1.99 each. Next up, we have got some angel paper. I don't tend to buy angel paper very often, but these ones are so beautiful. I believe I just ordered the flame tint and Lorraine has kindly given me the free extras, but they are just incredible and they're all my sort of colours as well. With these you get a whole metre length for 95p, which is really good, super affordable, and they're just stunning. You can do a lot of angel paper and it's just really nice stuff to work with, and it looks absolutely incredible encapsulated in some nails. So I'm obsessed. They're really nice. Really nice. Next up, we have got these foils. I did order the tropical reef and I believe Lorraine has given me the Rupert extra. But look at them. That tropical reef is so sweet because it literally does look like waves. It's going to be, again, really fun for summer. Do some beachy nails. It's just so cute. There is a massive range of foils up on the Sparkle Supplies website. I think they're all 95p again for a whole metre, which is one of the more affordable places that you'll find in the UK for foils. They are really affordable and you get a really good length. So I highly recommend it if you're after some foils. That is a massive selection. They're so nice. And then last but certainly not least, we have got this foil here called Orla. This truly reminds me of the sky. I just literally think sky, clouds and whatnot when I see it. It is a marble effect foil. And I tell you what, I've got quite a lot of marble foils, but I do not have one like this. So I'm really happy with that. I just think it's gorgeous. And again, like I said, 95p for a whole metre length. So super affordable. So here we go, that is absolutely everything from our haul today. Like I said, if you'd like to take a look and purchase for yourself, you could use my discount code, which is in the description box of all of my videos. That will get you 15% off of all of your orders. You can use that as much as you like. Look at this range of colours though, like I'm obsessed with all Sparkle Supplies. I cannot recommend her website enough for all glitters, foils, like anything accessory wise for your nails, anything you want to sort of make your nails look pretty, she has got. There is such a massive range to choose from and everything is really good prices as well. So I hope you guys have all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Lorraine for Sparkle Supplies. But I hope you guys have all enjoyed. If you have, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!